Hello guys, today I was just in the make some experiment. I just thinking how to make some edit on some multisample by some AI like the ChatGPT or something. Today I will make some experiment and show you that's available or not. I think it's possible, and maybe that this video would be very interesting for everyone when is somebody make the multi-sample. Everyone how is the difficult, how many times spend it just to make some reduction edit for the parameters on this multi-sample. Today I will show you how to transform some multi-sample and send it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will be make with some edit there, and after that one, I will use it on the another way just to transform, and would be use it on the Giglad on the final. Let's just to have a look. So here I have the SoundFont 2 format from the Accordion. I will just in the get only one maybe from so that this is the format SoundFont 2. I will just in the copy from there and will be make it this folder just for test. So here I just need to make some new one format sound on Z format. So what is that? This Supita Clarinet SoundFont 2 format I will be transformed on the by Awave Studio. Here, tools, convert in folder, SoundFont test. So that this one I will be open here. Later will be transformed from the SoundFont Z cakewalk to waves in the subfolder. So what is the good one? Because when I'm transform on this one, I will be have the text format. I'll show you now. So let's just transform the folder when I want. Is it there? Actually, here. Start. Right. Let's to see where it's going. It's there. So I have how many? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 15, it's more than it's around 20. This is the samplers. So that this is the important. So that this file is the open file, and this file is the control all these the samplers, and there is control this multi-samplers. So I will just in the cut from here, put here, and now is the yes. So that you see that is the SoundFont Z. So this is again is the SoundFont. I will be transformed. Will be open with the Notepad. So all commands, all parameter, everything is here. So I will just copy this one, copy, and now I will go to ChatGPT. Don't need any more Awave Studio. We're going to ChatGPT, and here just will be copy all these parameters of the ChatGPT, and there I will need to send it. Good question. I will make it in the my language. So now I send it this multi-sample, this file I send it to ChatGPT. So the ChatGPT now would be have a look what happened, and all parameters is good. So if I need to add something like more than release, less release, some effect on something, he would be make analysis on this multi-sample, and there, if if I want to change something, he would be change it. Will give me again the text format, and I will be transform everything by the same way. Yes. So what is said the uh, chat GPT? He said is the structure on this file is the very good. It's sent it by Awave Studio. Another one when he said here is the parameters on the MIDI controllers. Here is the global parameter expression. He said so it's very important when you use it some AI like ChatGPT or something, just to send it exactly the right question, just to be know what he want, what he wish, just just to know what we're doing. Because I'm just in the send it and said, can you make just analysis on this multi-sample? And he said, oh, clarinet, accordion clarinet, but he can understand this is the accordion, so I just in the send it there. This is the accordion with register clarinet from the Weltmeister Supita accordion. That is the model on the accordion. Just he know how exactly need to be control on the every accordion multi-sample, because the release for the clarinet and another effect from the clarinet instrument is different with the accordion. He will be just in the try now and make me maybe the good one. So now I was just in the what I'm doing. I'm just in the copy this text file. That is the text file on all multi-samples. So here I have the control, amplitude, everything, the region, and I will just in the we use it the Z.ai, but you can use it the LM Studio, ChatGPT, doesn't matter which one. When send it this parameter, so he make me the analysis on the everything. So what he said, I am this SoundFont Z file is the very good multi-sample clarinet, accordion clarinet generated by Awave Studio. So he tell me the everything and said the multi-samples is structure is the very good and what I wish. And here I just in the set to make with some edit to check the parameters is good or not, because that is the accordion. And when he just in the make the some global checking effect, maybe will be change it on the release effect or something. And when he checked everything and sent me the text file from the final multi-sample, so he just in the make me the edit. That is the good one, because the AI is save me the a lot of time to doing this one is the manually. So the next step, actually, we are available to tell on the AI to make the loop or the change the some effect if you want, and he will be just in the doing only from the seconds. When he doing, just in the copy this one. When copy this one, we're going on the again with the Notepad, which is in the take of this one and just in the paste the new one. when I put the new one here, just to be safe, like Supita Clarinet, Supita Clarinet here, right? So now let's do going to this voucher here, and I have this file. Just to start, so nothing here because another option just need to be make the file name extension, because on the moment that this file, that is the text file, so I just need to change with rename first one here, I will be rename, and here just will be add the SoundFont Z. Let's try again. Now everything is there. Polyphone, so that this is the polyphone sound font, and here have the everything like the parameters. So now let's doing to put on the Giglad, and we'll be have a look is working good or not. So we'll be open the Giglad, and I wanna this multi-sample to add to Giglad. Just let's to open first something. I need to open the native sampler. So native sampler, I will choose in the clear, will be remove everything from there, will be put the new layer, and here from sample maps, just in the press there, when press there will be coming to this one, and I need to import the SoundFont Z. Let's to import on the desktop. That is the SoundFont test, so that this one is the my Supita Clarinet. It's there, right, just to see it's working. Perfecto. So the sampling is very good, it's there. So lovely jubbly. So we have the option to add the reverb now to everything. So that is the very good, because so that when transform the multi-samples, some multi-sample when transform with the text format, that is the important, just to transform to text format. So when you send it to text format, the every AI is available to doing some correction, some edit, and save the very a lot of job. Because if you see, if I need doing the everything that this is the manually, so like reduction of the something that is the very is very hard job to doing this one. I'm very hope that this video to be very useful for everyone when it's to make it the multi-samplers, or but just for me it's the important to give the idea to transform the multi-sampler by the some AI, and later just to going to the doesn't matter on this video, I just use it the Giglad for example, but the SoundFont Z, where I can use it from the very for the many players ways to use it at this format. Thank you very much to watch my channel, and will be see you soon. All the best. Thank you.